Hello and welcome students. Welcome to GRS Technical. Today in this video I am going to teach you the summary of Keeping Quiet, which is class 12th English. This chapter is very much important for your pre-boards as well as in your board examination. So please watch this video till last, and if you do like this video, please subscribe to our channel, like this video and share it to your friends. So students, without wasting our time, we shall start the video. So the summary begins from here. Alright. Summary of Keeping Quiet. Okay. Keeping Quiet summary discusses peace, humanity and brotherhood. Okay, means the summary of Keeping Quiet discusses peace, humanity and brotherhood. This poem is by author Pablo Neruda. Always memorize the author and the chapter which we are going to study. Okay, this poem is explosive as well as quiet at the same time. Means this poem is very much एक्सप्लोसिव मीन्स बहुत ही ज़्यादा हल्ला करने वाला भी है एंड एक टाइम पे क्वाइट रहने वाला भी है. ओके, सो नेरूडा स्पीक्स ऑफ द वर्ल्ड ऑफ विजडम इन अ काम फैशन. ठीक है, नेरूडा बिलीव्स दैट स्टैंच एक्टिविज्म इज नॉट द बेस्ट वे टू गेट इनटू द हर्ट एंड माइंड्स ऑफ मासेस. Consequently, the author speaks with much serenity. Furthermore, this serenity creates an aftermath of thought ripples in the minds of the reader. Means this chapter is very much interesting as it creates serenity, aftermath of thoughts ripples in the minds of the reader. The poet wants to readers to take time out of busy lives for them. Retrospection and introspection. Okay, so these two things are very much important for every person, and the author believes that a person must have retrospection and introspection. So what is retrospection and introspection we will discuss afterwards, after the end of the chapter. The poem is symbolic of stopping all activities and understanding the purpose of the world. Keeping Quiet appeals to the heart of the readers in contrast to the intellect. Okay, through this poem, Neruda aims to get his readers thinking and pondering as opposed to intellectual stimulation. Now, we are going to start this chapter, Keeping Quiet. So, hoping all the students are ready. So, we need to start it. Okay. So each and every point is very much important. Listen it very carefully, and afterwards the question will arise from this paragraph only. Okay, so are you ready? Okay. This poem emphasizes the importance of self-introspection and silence. Furthermore, these two can transform the life of an individual. Moreover, they can also transform the face of the earth. The poet says that introspection and silence do not take much time to look within. Any individual can do it and examine oneself. This is easy and takes only as long as it will take someone to count to 12. During this time of introspection means self-examination. If you will self-examine yourself, introspect yourself, you will be successful. It is important for the individual to keeping quiet. Okay, the individual must say nothing at all. Without silence and keeping quiet, self-introspection will not work. Silently introspecting will give the individual a strange feeling of unity and togetherness with all others. In the beginning, it will certainly feel a little strange. However, eventually, it has the power to bring us all together. The silence will be free from the annoying sounds of engines. Here it is written. You can see here. Furthermore, the silence will also be free from the people rushing to get their work done. The author feels contentment while imagining the change that will take place in those moments. The men who have to deal with the pain while collecting salt will get a little relief. Means people having so much difficulty in their life, but if they follow these rules, they can feel a little relief. Even the people who desire war and destruction will put on clean clothes and opportunity to walk among their brothers. They will get to experience a life that is free of enmity and hatred, because it is very much important now these days. There will be a halt to their destructive and dangerous activities. People and tranquility will prevail everywhere once such harmful activities come to a stop, even if it is for a short time. For a shorter period, this can be done. The poet clarifies that his wish should not mean total inactivity. The poet only desires to interrupt the violent, cruel, and sad activities taking all over the world for a few moments and let individuals introspect their actions. Okay, in fact, there is a connection to what he says with the life rather than the death. Activities is the very essence of life, whereas inactivity is symbolic to death. However, for a new, improved, and useful activity, a little stillness is quite important. The poet makes use of the image of the earth to explain how life exists in things that seem dormant. In winter, the earth becomes very silent and it seems to be dead. The earth becomes lively again in spring. After the silence, the earth begin to happy again. Work it. The earth became lively again in spring. Furthermore, in the spring, the addition of fresh new beauties and colors takes place. In a similar fashion, man can resume his activities in a better manner after a little silence and quietness. So students, this was the chapter Keeping Quiet. I hope you have learned many things. Now, what is the conclusion of Keeping Quiet? Let's learn it. Keeping Quiet summary tells us about the big impact of silence and introspection in the making this world a better place. Means how we can make the world as a better place. We have already listened and studied in this video. So students, I do hope that you have learned many things, how you can introspect yourself and how you can make world a better place. So students, if you like this video, do like this video and हमारे channel को subscribe कर दीजिएगा and share it to your friends. Thanks for watching this video. जय हिंद, वंदे मातरम.